Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of the Indonesian side dishes called perkedel kentang, or Indonesian style savory potato cake. You can eat it on its own, or you can eat it with steamed rice as always. And this is one of my very favorite side dishes. And it could be one of your vegetarian choice. So let's make it. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Some vegetable oil, 3 medium potato, celery leaves, kaffir lime leaves, shallot, garlic, salt, sugar, mushroom boyong powder, coriander seed, white peppercorn, and egg white. Now let's make it. First, I'm going to cut the shallot and garlic into small pieces. Then I'm going to fry them. Let's put it aside first. Let's turn on the cooker. And next, I'm going to peel the potato and cut it into big pieces. Add the shallot and garlic, cook until it's soft. Let's put it aside. Now let's cook the potato until it's soft. So while waiting the potato is ready, I'm going to slice thinly the celery leaves and kaffir lime leaf. For the kaffir lime leaves, I'm going to remove the middle part because it's quite tough. Now let's check the potato. It's soft enough. Let's move from the oil. I cool it down a little bit. Next step is add coriander seed and white peppercorn into the mortar and pestle because we're going to grind it. Add the garlic and shallot that we fried earlier. Grind it. Then add the potato that we fried earlier. Mix well. If you would like to use food processor, it's absolutely fine. Add the celery leaves and kaffir lime leaf. Mix well. Add the salt, sugar, and mushroom boyong powder. So now let's shape the potato cake into a small patty. So it's around 2 tablespoons. So now let's fry the potato cake. Before I fry it, I'm going to dip into the egg white. Cool it down a little bit. So it's very fast process for fried this potato cake. It's around 1 to 2 minutes each side. So now it's ready. Let's cool it down a little bit. So now let's plate it. So here we are, perkedel kentang. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down, my email address in the description below. And if you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and do subscribe so I can make more video in the future. I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. Bye bye.